Right now, cryptocurrency is probably the most popular asset to buy and sell on the modern markets. The fact that the price of a cryptocurrency unit can go up to tens of thousands of dollars is a great reason to invest in it and trade with it. But there are a lot of important things you need to think about before investing in crypto. The tips for buying cryptocurrency for the first time can be a big help to anyone who wants to try investing in crypto for the first time. But stories in the news about how uncertain the value of cryptocurrencies is and how new rules are being made for cryptocurrencies have made people doubtful about cryptocurrencies. Investing in cryptocurrency is becoming more popular these days. Cryptocurrencies look like a tasty cake, and almost everyone wants a piece. But it's hard for someone who has never bought crypto before to figure out how to invest in it. So, you would need a good guide to the best ways to invest in cryptocurrency before you could do so. 1. Learn about investing in crypto. The first thing you need to know about how to buy cryptocurrency is the overview of mechanisms for purchasing, exchanging, and selling cryptocurrencies. Without an idea of how you should approach crypto investments, you cannot blindly invest your money in cryptocurrencies. Look for the platforms which help you in depositing and withdrawing fiat currency within a crypto ecosystem. You can explore all the basic steps in the crypto platform, such as the simple purchase and sales options. When you are confident about the processes for buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies, you are more likely to make some productive choices. 2. Go for a balanced portfolio. The second important pointer in a beginner's guide to buy cryptocurrency would obviously focus on creating a diversified and balanced portfolio. You cannot just put all your money on a single crypto coin in the hope that its value will rise. Keep in mind that cryptocurrencies are a highly risky asset in comparison to other investments, particularly due to volatility. The pricing of crypto coins has been fluctuating with massive variations in comparatively shorter periods of time. In addition, the important tips for buying cryptocurrency also draw attention to the lack of specific regulations for cryptocurrencies. You don't have the legal backing of an insurance company to recover your losses in cryptocurrencies. 3. Research is mandatory. The most prominent addition in any guide on investing in cryptocurrency would obviously point to the limelight on research. Any type of investment requires a good amount of research before you invest the same in an asset. Hours of an endless investigation into the origins of cryptocurrency and its utility can help you understand the value you can get from it. At the same time, research also helps you take note of the risks associated with specific cryptocurrencies of your choice. Make sure that you don't fall for the idea of someone will buy it at a higher price in the future while considering investments in a cryptocurrency. 4. Taxation and regulatory concerns. The final highlight in tips for buying cryptocurrency would focus on concerns regarding taxation and regulations. Taxation and regulatory concerns are important, especially in the US, for specific reasons. Similarly, the legal perspectives on cryptocurrencies in different jurisdictions can also play a crucial role in determining the expected returns from crypto investments. Therefore, you need a clear overview of tax conditions alongside the regulations for crypto in your country or state before investing. Make sure that you don't violate any law while ensuring proper optimization of your returns on the crypto investment. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you next time.